Good morning, everyone. I'm going to jump on real quick and show you guys how to create a silkscreen PYO mandala type coloring page stencil. This is just a picture that I took out of a coloring book I had, and as I was uploading it, I got rid of all the stuff that I didn't want, leaving me this lovely flower with leaves. So we're going to insert that image. Right there, insert image, move these out of the way. And the first thing we're going to do, I always measure my cookie cutter that I plan to use for my project first, so that I can make my designs to fit the specific cookie cutters that I plan to use. So let's just say that I had a 3-inch egg, and that's not, let's say 3-inch egg, we'll call it that. I didn't really measure a cutter for this particular time. And I'm going to turn that lighter for the video. Doesn't really matter what color it is. So we're going to take this image, size it down to fit inside that cookie cutter, center front, and you can make this whatever shape and size, whatever you want your design to look like. I just kind of place it over that as a guide to what I want it to look like on my cookie. You could place it all the way over to the side and have your PYO color dots on this side of your cookie. If you're going to have a separate cookie, then you can build that out like I've done here, where it covers most of the cookie. And you just find where you like the placement there. For myself, I liked my flower a little bit off center. And as long as I had all of the edges going off a little bit, I thought that looked kind of cool. So you're simply in your layers panel going to grab both of those items, the flower mandala and my egg shape, and I'm going to slice that. And then these are the pieces you have left. I don't need this piece. Really don't need most of these pieces. So this piece here is what I'm going to use now to make my silkscreen stencil. And to do that, you grab over here in the side panel a shape. I'm going to place my square in the size of my stencil that I want to make. Place this into the square. I'm going to arrange that and bring it to the front. Now you just grab that item. Also grab your square. You can do that here on your canvas or over here in the layers panel. And I'm going to align that to the center of my square and attach. So this is ready to cut for a silkscreen stencil, PYO, unbridged again for silkscreen, to go onto an egg shape. All you would do next would be, let me get rid of all of these. All you would need to do next is hit Make It, and that would appear this way on your Make It screen. You're ready to go. You would just hit Continue and cut on your materials of choice. If you have any questions, place them in the comments. Happy crafting!